Happy Monday, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend. It's August 23rd, 2021, and this is After the Bell. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Welcome to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I appreciate you being here and joining me today for this episode of After the Bell. We've got a lot of stuff to cover. We're going to cover earnings from JD.com and also earnings from Palo Alto Networks doing fantastic after the bell. And then we're going to cover some news from Uber, trying to do some same-day delivery stuff, same hour, in fact, craziness. And then Cleanspark is doing fantastic, so we're going to cover some of that as well. And then obviously your major indices and Bitcoin and all that good stuff. So let's jump over to TipRanks.com. The S&P 500 was up today, almost 1%, up 0.85% on the day. The Dow Jones up 0.61% today, and the NASDAQ, look at that, up 1.5% today. Fantastic movement from the major indices after a rocky week last week, and I mean rocky. We had some big drops Monday through Thursday, and then recovery on Friday. But yeah, big day here for the major indices. And Bitcoin, look at that, hit 50,000 for the first time in a long time this weekend, and now it's gone down a little bit since then, but 49,000 per token here for Bitcoin. Ethereum, I want to take a peek at that, up 2% on the day, above 3,300 per coin. So big moves for those stocks there. All the biggest companies in the world. You got Amazon, Apple, Tesla, way up. Apple up 1%, Amazon up 2%, and Tesla up almost 4% on the day. People must be liking that Tesla robot. All right, let's jump over, talk about stocks on the move here real quick. Look at the top gainers here. We have Veoneer, ticker symbol VNE, up 2.3% after the bell. New Residential Innovation up, and NRZ there, we have up 4% after the bell. Winnebago Industries, ticker symbol WGO, also up 4%. SVB Financial Group, SIVB is the ticker symbol there, up 4.5%. But look at that, in the number one spot after the bell, almost up 10% there. Palo Alto Networks, we're going to cover earnings from them here in a minute. But first, we're going to cover your stock market news. All right, number one in stock market news is Uber, as promised, and Woolworths. They're partnering for same hour delivery demand. Same hour grocery delivery, absolutely crazy. Look at this. Uber Technologies Incorporated, food delivery app Uber Eats, announced its partnership with Australian supermarket chain Woolworths Group to satiate the growing demand for doorstep grocery deliveries. The companies will ensure same-hour grocery delivery through this partnership. Crazy. Guys, so if you order some milk from the store, do you expect it within an hour? That's fast. I mean, we've done some grocery delivery stuff during the pandemic, but I was impressed with like 5 hours. And it's a funny story. We had moved and we forgot to put our new address in the app, and we let somebody know through the app, but they still delivered it to our old address, and then they re-brought our food to us and gave us a bunch of cool cookies. So this is a cool service. It's something I've used before, but ordering food and then getting it to your house in under an hour is super impressive, because somebody's got to shop for it, package it up, drive it to you. I'm really impressed by this. Really cool stuff. And Uber on this news was up 2.63% today. Obviously, Uber Technologies, ticker symbol Uber, strong by 23 analyst ratings with an average upside. I look at that, almost 70%. For Uber. So what do you guys think about this? Would you order groceries online? Have you done it before? Is an hour even feasible? I don't know. I mean, you go into like a major big city. I don't know. An hour is crazy to me. But 2-hour delivery for some Prime stuff on Amazon is crazy to me too. All right, let's jump over and talk about Cleanspark really quick, because Bitcoin has been going crazy the past weekend. Cleanspark, I made a video on this with, one analyst thinks this has a 343% upside. And look at that today, 17% on the day for Cleanspark, ticker symbol CLSK. If you guys don't know what Cleanspark is. It's a company that does some energy, multi-grid energy stuff, but also is heavily investing in Bitcoin mining, and it's paying off for them right now. They had relatively bad earnings not that long ago, so they were down a lot over the past couple weeks, and they're recovering a lot right now because I think people are really excited to buy the dip on a lot of stocks, obviously. But even after these big gains, we got a moderate buy here based on 2 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 240% for Cleanspark. So guys, let me know if you saw that video on Thursday. I would love to hear your opinion. I know a lot of you expressed that you were excited about the opportunity. I am also very excited about this opportunity. So let me know if you got some shares or not and you took advantage of this 17% upswing today. All right, let's jump over and talk about earnings for JD.com. Massive company, had better than expected results for the second quarter of 2021. This is a Chinese e-commerce giant. Adjusted earnings per share during the quarter still stood at RMB 290 or 45 cents per share, ahead of analyst expectations of 235 or 36 cents per share. So a big beat there. But this declined from the same quarter last year. Net revenues increased 26.2% year over year to $38 billion or $39 billion rather, topping the expectations of $38.5 billion. So big beat there for JD.com. They were up 3.3% in normal trading and are slightly up after the bell as well. JD.com's ticker symbol JD has a strong buy with 8 analyst ratings with an average upside of right around 40%. Do any of you guys hold JD in your portfolio? Let me know down in the comments. I don't, but I do have some of their competitor, Baba, and I think Alibaba is a fantastic opportunity right now. All right, let's jump over and talk about Palo Alto Networks, ticker symbol PANW, up 1.4% in normal trading, and then after the bell, 9.5% because they did beat expectations. Palo Alto Network stock rallies as results and outlook blow past Wall Street estimates. Palo Alto Networks reported a fiscal fourth quarter loss of $119.3 million or $1.23 a share, compared with a loss of almost $60 million in the year ago period. But adjusted earnings, which include share-based compensation charges and other items, were $1.60 per share compared with $1.48 in the year ago period. Revenue rose to $1.22 billion from $950 million, and billings, which reflect future business under contract, rose to $1.87 billion compared with $1.39 billion a year ago. Again, ticker symbol PANW, up now almost 10% after the bell as of recording this, so fantastic movement there. This does come with a strong buy based on 12 analyst ratings with an average upside of 21%. I am assuming that we're going to see some reiterations or some new price targets here from these awesome analysts here on TipRanks.com. But quite the range here. We have on the high end, we have ranges from $515 to $410 on the low end. So very bullish analysts on this stock here. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another episode of After the Bell. I appreciate each and every single one of you. If you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and do that. And hit that like button for me if you found any value or learned anything new in this video. And I'll see you in the next one.